Hi, this is Dhanush from Design Episodes. Today I'll walk you through Mechanical Toolbox in DraftSight. The Mechanical Toolbox in DraftSight contains a set of standard 2D design and detailing tools to help you create and annotate drawings. Mechanical Toolbox includes a collection of data tables that represents existing industrial standards. You can create custom standards based on the available list of standards. In Toolbox setting, use the Layer dialog box to map and manage predefined layers to basic entity types or to Mechanical Toolbox paths and symbols and tables. And you can set layer properties to specify layer colors, line styles, and line weights. Toolbox includes standard-based hardware components that you can insert into drawings. In this case study, ENSI metric standard socketed cap screw of size M5 into 0.8 pitch. In properties, we'll choose XZ and will dynamically measure material thickness of this plate based on this required fastener length. With the help of DraftSight tracking method, we can place the hardware in required location without drawing any construction lines. In Properties Toolbox creation method, we can choose different views like near side, section, and hidden view types. For our assembly, we'll choose hidden view. The Toolbox screw connection dialog box helps you combine bolts and screws with nuts and washers using a single dialog box. In Toolbox screw connection, we'll choose XZ M6 bolt. Material thickness will measure in graphic area and choose 40 mm length. In edge side, we'll add flat narrow washer from the list. If required, we can choose different size too. Next, we will add nut side washer and the X jam nut with bearing bottom style. The created screw connections can be checked as a blocked entities. We'll place the screw connection to front view and top view of pulley support assembly. With Mechanical Toolbox, you can add 2D presentation of counterbore, countersink, through, tap and slotted type holes to drawings based on standards. For bracket, we'll insert through holes of dia 10 and dia 6 mm. For mounting plate, we'll insert M5 into 0.8 pitch tap hole of length 6 mm. You can add the hole callouts to annotate the Mechanical Toolbox holes in your drawing with dimension and description. You can create a hole table by selecting holes with callouts. The table lists the location and description of the selected holes. You can insert balloons to drawing. After placing leader location, you can define assembly name, item number, part number, description and quantity. For toolbox entities, description will be added automatically. Mechanical Toolbox lets you create bill of materials for the drawings based on the added balloons. At any stage of the design process, you can insert frames and title blocks to your drawings. The DraftSight provides a set of predefined frames and title blocks for each engineering standards. The inserted title blocks loaded with attributes where you can fill the definitions. Thank you for watching Design Episodes and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.